Okay fellas, hello and welcome back to my channel. Let's go for the quick fix. We need to change the controller and the field for this. So you can see the part number for the controller, the field, the solder. This is the controller code. You can easily find this part on my online shop, and this is the screws for the controller and the field to be connected together, and they are really needed because they are weak and we will just break them or over screw them. Yep, it is like this. Okay, so let's not waste the time and deassemble this little fellow. Sorry. Okay, what we can see, we have the controller here, and of course for the controller we have the handle, and we have the field here. So okay, I will try to lift this handle and this one, and okay, now we are removing the starter here, or the field. I don't know what's the difference in them. Sometimes it's starter, sometimes it's field, so I don't know. Okay, now we have this nice armature or the rotor. Sometimes it's really hard to get it lifted. Don't want to damage it. Okay, why the fuck they doing it so hard? I don't know. Okay, so what we have here, we have the field. Okay, so now we need to remove this field, and you can try to push it like that, or we can use a rubber hammer. I have glued it. I hope it will hold now, because always a problem with the hammer. Okay, the housing is a little bit dusty. Okay, I want to clean those here. Okay, so as you can see, we have the field here, and we can check that we have the difference. Sometimes it's no difference on the old and new fields, so but Makita recommends to replace them both. And okay, what we can see here, and we have the couple screws here, and we don't have the holes for this here. You can, I don't know, slip it or something, but you just don't have the holes for it. So we are taking the new field, and it's right up. Okay, so if it's up, it's up, and then we are inserting this one. Just brush some dust. Okay, and now we need our nice new screws here. It's 6 screws. And I think this one can be even turned with the PH2 head. No, maybe not with this one, or PH1, because now I'm using the PH0, I think. Okay, let's check here. I have the PH1 and or the PZ1 for this one. Yep. It's stick nice, of course. It's a very weak screw, so they are easy to be over tightened, so not use a lot of force here. Okay, so we can see that they are pretty the same now, just the screws different, and I don't know why Makita changed them honestly, but maybe it was a problem or something and they noticed that and then changed it. And it's a good thing that you can order only the field, only the screws and only the controller if you want, because they are arrives like 3 parts with the part codes, so basically I think you can order them if you need it. But when you have the old version, you just need to order the old kit. Okay, now we have the controller here, so basically we can put the armature back here, and it gets really stiff in the bearing box. Now just closing the housing here. Okay, so now we need to swap the wires from this controller to the another controller and to the new controller. Okay, I will disconnect the terminal. Okay, let's check. So we have the wire going here. I will just try to take out some dust here. And I think I need to start to use the compressed air for the tools like that. Okay, let's check what we have here. So this one goes to the switch. This goes to the switch. This goes to the switch. And we have the LED lights here, so this one needs to be here. The wire goes here. Okay. Now we can check what is going for the cable here, and we have the the long black cable here. Okay. So we can easily put it here, and the yellow is here, the red one will go here. Okay, so this black one, normally I can just lift it, I think, and put it like that. Okay, this is the easiest part, I think. It's just joining the connector together, putting it in place, and trying to leave it here. Okay, now we have the okay, where it was, and the pull again. Okay, so the white wire goes to, it's like our vision, the vote goes to, and oh, it's not Lithuania. Okay, so we have the white wire. I want to take it like that a little bit nicer. Okie. Okay, yeah, they have viewers from Ireland. Why are always not voting in Eurovision for Lithuania? That's not nice. Okay. Okay. So this one now can be thrown out, and yep, that's that, electronic waste, or the good copper for the technician. Okay, so we have now the yellow, the black, and the red one. So the minus is the black one, the plus is positive, the red one. So let me just connect the yellow one, then let's get with the black one, the minus, and of course the red one. So if it will be like that, so I have swap it around it. Okay, so now as we have it connected, we can put everything in a plate here, and of course we need to manage the wires here, and okay, they're not always getting nice, probably. Okay, maybe at the time it's better to put these wires underneath the controller, like something like that. We can try to do that, of course. Let's check it. Yep, maybe that's better. Okay, now we have the spring here on this pin, and it just falls down. Why we can glue the springs like that? It will be very nice future to glue them up on the switch. I think so. Okay, now the wires looks good, everything looks good. I hope it will work. We need to put our warranty sticker. I have the warranty stickers with my logo and repair date, and that's helps for me to indicate when the tool was repaired, and for the customer to get better warranty for the repair. What's about our holder here. This one will be upside down. I hope so. Okay. Let's check if I will put it here. Yep. Okay, of course now I need to check when it's tightened, and now it's tightened. Okay, so put it like that. It's really tightened. Mounting the hole in the ring. Okay, we can check it. Yep. Yep. Okay, this one looks fine. Looks fine. Now we need a battery. It will be that good if the battery will be working. And nice, we have nice working saw. As you can see, easy fix. You can do it yourself if you are watching my videos, and if that helps, press thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and for now just saying you thank you for watching, and bye.